Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Voyager. The Chrysler Group manufactured the Plymouth Voyager. It was renamed the Chrysler Voyager from 2001 to 2003. The Voyager minivan is a short wheelbase model to give decent maneuverability in a minivan platform and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, roof rack, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power steering, tachometer, passenger vanity mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.